Hi lovelies, welcome to another weekly vlog. On 23rd March 2020 in breakfast I had a kebab sandwich. For that I have spread a little bit of mayonnaise. Then I have spread out kebab on it. Then at the end I have spread a little bit of ketchup over it to make its flavor more better. Then I spread the ketchup with the help of fork to evenly spread it out all over my sandwich. Then I put its other slice and cut it in equal parts. 23rd March is actually the Pakistan Resolution Day, so for school we have a class activities of preparing cards related to 23rd March. So my students have prepared quite cute and lovely cards which I would like to show you. Now I have planned to prepare a mint margarita. For that I am separating the leaves of the mint. Now in the blender I am going to put 7-Up. I am going to fill half of my blender with the 7-Up, or you can use any soft drink, Sprite, 7-Up or anything you like. Then I am going to add few leaves of mint on it, and then I'm going to squeeze half of lemon into this. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and if you want you can add a little bit of sugar, and it's totally optional. If you don't want to add sugar, it's already sweet. You can also add black pepper. Now after blending, my mint margarita is ready. It is quite refreshing for summer season especially. So then I washed my favorite drama. So here I would like to show a little bit of clips. I have planned to buy some skincare products because my skin has become very rough nowadays. So I have thought to buy from Adore Pakistan because they were selling up to 60%. So first I have thought to buy this original peeling mask. So first I have bought this. It has a quite amazing sale over this product. Then I have thought to buy this sheet mask. They have also quite amazing sale on this product as well. And at the end I have thought to buy this roller which is quite helpful in massaging. So I have bought all these three products. Now it's time for unboxing. I would also like to show you my skincare products which I have ordered from Conatural, which claim that all their products contain the natural things, like they don't contain the chemicals. So I'm going to show you the things which I have ordered from Conatural. Here you can see the box. Let's open this. Ordered couple of things from them, so let's see. Like first I have ordered their cream, Conatural Essential Day Cream. As you can see from here, I just think that I should try this cream. Is this work or not? You can see that that's how its packing look like, and I'm going to try this for 1 whole month, and then I will tell you its result in my all day skincare routine. So that's how it's look like. Next thing is that I order is from mkcomestics. It's their brightening face serum. I've also thought to buy some sheet mask, and I was going to use all this stuff for 1 month. Then I will tell you the results. So let's just open this one. That's how it's packing. How cute is this? and that's how it's look like. Now I'm also going to use this for a month, and I will show it to you, tell you the results, that what result I have achieved after all these products. And please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.